Hello, and welcome to our second video on how to use Beanstack for summer reading at Three Rivers Public Library District. In this video, we'll show you how to register for a summer reading challenge, how to log your reading, and a few other helpful tips for using the app. If you are new to Beanstack or need a refresher on how to log into your account, please watch our first video in the link in the description below. You can also call or visit the library for assistance. Okay, let's get started. First, let's take a brief look at reader profiles and account settings. Families can set up multiple profiles under a single login, just like with streaming services such as Netflix or Disney+. In their profiles, each reader can register for a challenge and keep their own reading log. In our first video, we showed new users how to add additional readers when creating an account. For users that already have an account and want to add another reader, just tap the gear icon and go to your account settings. Go to Readers and add a reader. Fill in all of the required information to create the reader's profile. If you are adding a reader for the summer, the app will give you the option to register them for any challenges currently available. Just tap Register under the challenge description, and again in the pop-up message. After registering your new reader, tap Continue to complete setting up the profile. If you need to, you can add another reader or tap I'm done adding readers to go back to the home screen. Once you have all your profiles set up, you can switch between them by simply tapping the icon in the upper right corner and selecting the reader's name. To make changes or update a reader profile, such as changing their age or grade level, go into Readers and tap on their name to access the Edit Reader screen. To make changes that will apply to the account and all profiles, choose Account and tap the account creator's name. From here, you can edit the username, password, and contact information, or add a library card number. Be sure to hit Save at the bottom after making any changes. An important thing to note about making changes to the account is this will apply to all the reader profiles. For example, if you have multiple readers using different devices and you change the username or the password, they will need to enter the new login information to access their profile on a different device. Alright, now let's sign up for a summer reading challenge. If you were not prompted to sign up for a challenge when you created your account, you will need to go into each reader's profile to register them. On the profile for the reader you want to register, go to the bottom menu and tap the Discover icon. Under Challenges and Current, you will see the challenges our library has available for that reader based on their age or grade. Sometimes there may be multiple challenges they can sign up for, so scroll down if you don't see the one you want. Once you find the challenge, tap where it says Register, and then register again when you see this message. If you don't see the challenge you're looking for, check again that you're in the correct reader profile. You may also need to update the reader's age or grade in the account settings. Now that you're signed up, let's log some reading. For our 2021 Summer Reading Challenge, readers will log books or minutes depending on the challenges they are registered for. First, we'll show you how to log a single book you have finished reading. We will then show you how to log minutes. To log a book, tap the plus sign icon at the bottom. Select Reading and the reader's name. Search for the book title or author at the top, and select the book from the list of suggestions. Then tap Save and click Complete to finish. Another way to log is to scan the ISBN barcode, which is usually found on the back of the book. To do this, tap the barcode icon next to the search bar. You may need to allow Beanstack permission to use your phone's camera. Line up the red bar with the ISBN barcode and wait for it to scan. And voila! Now you can save and tap Quick Complete to finish. If you are scanning a library book An important thing to note is the ISBN barcode and the library barcode are not the same. Scanning the library barcode will not work in the Beanstack app. Also, if you have tried searching for the title and scanning the ISBN, but no title information is found, tap the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and manually enter the book's title. Let's move on to logging minutes. Once again, tap the plus sign, Reading, and the reader's name. Search for the book or scan the ISBN, and hit Save. On the next screen, choose Log Reading and enter the number of minutes read. If you finished the book, tap the button under your minutes. It will turn green when checked. Or, if you are not finished with the book yet, you can skip this step. Now tap Done, and you're all set. One other logging option available for many of our summer challenges is Activity. Activity badges are optional and usually award prizes such as raffle tickets. To log for these badges, hit that plus sign again and choose Activity. After choosing a reader, a list of the available activity badges will be displayed. Choose the activity you want to log. From here, you can see details on how to complete the activity. Once you have completed one, enter the required information at the bottom and save. Teens can also log a book review by going into their profile and selecting this option from the Log menu and following the prompts. Now that you know how to register for a challenge and add to your log, let's look at some other useful tools in the app. If you want to see all the books you've logged or the badges you've earned, tap the Log button at the bottom. Switch between your completed books, badges, and other options at the top. Badges that have not been earned yet will appear grayed out on some screens, and they will show up in color once the requirements to earn them have been met. If you want to view information about your challenge, including what badges can be earned, go to Discover and View Challenge. Tap Logging Badges to see all the badges available for your current challenge. You can also see activity badges and review badges from here. You can also view any rewards or prizes you have earned. Speaking of prizes, you can also view the raffles available for your challenge under Drawings. If you have earned raffle tickets for logging or completing activities, the app will show how many tickets you have to spend at the top and how many you've already entered under each raffle option below. To spend your tickets, simply tap on the raffle you want to enter. Tap Add Tickets, tap the plus sign, and tap Add Tickets again. You can enter as many tickets as you have available into one raffle, or enter additional tickets into any other raffles displayed. That's all for now on how to use Beanstack for summer reading. For information about Three Rivers Library Summer Reading Challenges for 2021 and all our events and activities this summer, please visit the links in the description below, or visit our website at www.trpld.org and look under the Events tab. Thanks for watching.